Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the playback speed of any videos that are on TikTok. You're just going to simply select the video for a few seconds, like press on it, and then you're going to select playback speed. If you want it in slow motion, you're just going to select the 0.5x speed. Here I'll show you that it's going to be in a slower motion. If you want it to be like faster, again press the screen playback speed on a 2x speed. It's going to make the video faster, as you can see. But if you want to put it back to normal, just select it again and then go to playback speed and select the normal speed for that. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.